is all about circles. Now, let us start by defining circle. Circle is a set of all points equidistant to a fixed point called center. It is also denoted by the symbol circle with a dot inside. Now, let's have an example. Assuming that this is a circle with the center A, we can name this circle by its center. Therefore, the name of this circle is circle A. Now, if we are going to have identified points on the circle, for example, point X, Y, and Z, we can say that from point X going to point A, point Y going to point A, their distance are equal. And also, point Z to point A is also equal to the distance of A to X and A to Y because of the definition of this. Now let's go to the terms related to a circle. First off, we have radius. Radius is a segment that connects the center into any point on the circle. Chord. A chord is also a segment, but it connects two distinct points on the circle. And diameter. Diameter is a chord that passes through the center of a circle. So let's use our diagram or our circle on the right for us to identify examples of these three terms. We have here circle L. So let us now cite an example of the following terms related to circle on circle L. Let's start with the radius. It says here a segment that connects the center into any point of the circle. Our center is L. From the center going to any point of the circle, we can say that segment Li is a radius. Line segment Li. Aside from line segment Li, we can also have LV, line segment LV. Line segment LS. Those are example of radius. How about chord? Connects two distinct points on the circle. So we have E, V. Line segment E, V. Another one, line segment VS. And lastly, diameter. So diameter is also a chord, but it passes through the center of the circle. So the diameter present on this circle is VS. Line segment VS. Another term related to circle is arc. An arc is a segment of the circumference of the circle, meaning it is a curve. There are three types of arcs: minor arc, semicircle, and major arc. A minor arc measures less than 180 degrees but greater than 0. While a semicircle measures exactly 180 degrees, and the major arc measures greater than 180 degrees, but less than 360 degrees. Now, let's take a look at circle L and try to find out the examples of these arcs on our circle L. Let's try to find minor arc. The measure must be less than 180 degrees, but greater than 0. So, this arc here, VI or IV, is less than 180 degrees. Therefore, it is an arc. It is a minor arc. By the way, the symbol for writing arc is this curve above. Also, while writing the name of a minor arc, we are just going to use 2 letters, signifying its 2 endpoints. Aside from arc VI, we also have arc IS. Let us now name a semicircle. Measures exactly 180 degrees, meaning it divides the circle into 2 equal parts. Those are the arcs bounded by the diameter. So we have arc VES. We're going to use now 3 letters. We also have arc VIS. How about a major arc? It must be greater than 180 degrees, but less than 360 degrees. Examples are arc IVS. Same thing as arc IES. They are running into the same point. So we're going to use again 3 letters. We have I, V, S. We can also measure clockwise. I, S, E. Okay? So these are arcs on the circle. Other terms related to circle are central angle and inscribed angle. Central angle is an angle whose vertex is the center of the circle and whose sides are radii of the circle. Inscribed angle, on the other hand, is an angle whose vertex lies on the circle and sides are chords of a circle. Let's go back again to circle L. What are the examples of central angle and inscribed angle on this circle? The central angle on this circle are here. We have angle VLI. Since the vertex is L, or the center of the circle. So, angle VLI. Always remember that the letter on the middle serves as the vertex. We also have angle ILS as a central angle. How about an inscribed angle? The vertex must be on the circle. So we can name here one. Angle EVS. since the vertex V lies on the circle and the sides are chords of a circle. So angle E, V, and S. That's our lesson for today. I hope you learned something new. Till next time.